Welcome to episode number 182. Hi, hope you are doing great in your life and welcome back to another episode of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. Today I'm gonna share with you a beautiful story of another kingdom. But before diving into this episode, if you are new to this channel is all about helping you to reach to your highest goal and to be the best version of yourself. Give yourself a impactful life and a graceful life that can make you feel what you are from inside out. My mission through this podcast is #remove your label, that any kind of label which people have put it on you or you have put on yourself, just remove it off. Nothing is called as what others says for you. It's you who create your own life. Let's dive into today's episode and let's see what is that wonderful story about. It was a cold winter morning where the gathering of the king was held. All the minister, family members, and everyone in and around the town were invited in this gathering. Suddenly, a man from the crowd comes and requests the guard that he wanted to ask a king a question. He stated that he had been to so many kingdoms and asked same questions, but all the previous king was failed to answer this question correctly. He also told that he has two identical things, of which one is real and other is artificial, but they both look the same. When he was taken to the king, he said that he has two diamonds. One was real and the other one is made of glass. If you people choose the right one, then the diamond would be given to the kingdom, but this they chase the wrong one, then the kingdom will have to pay me the total value of the real diamond. The man kept both the diamond before the king, and the king asked all the people present there to see and give their answers. Many people tried, but after some time they all stopped answering, fearing the king's defeat. A man from the crowd who was blind came ahead and asked that if he could answer. He immediately touched both the stone and spotted the real diamond. The diamond was given to the king, and the king then answered the blind man how he could tell the difference. The blind man said, in sunlight, a real diamond doesn't get hot, but a glass does. In this story, the real diamond and the fake diamond are compared to a woman's behavior. If a person is calm and stable, then he or she will be able to utilize his mind potential to the fullest. The blind man was not distracted with how the diamond looks like, and therefore he was able to utilize his mind fully with a full concentration and solve this puzzle. What we learn from the story is that we do not need to get distracted if any new complications that comes in our life. We should be able to utilize our mind and find a solution that help us solve or overcome these difficulties. Utilize your mind means that we must first try to analyze the situation and then find a solution with the calmness. It is essential to solve all the problems yourself, and then only you will be able to fulfill your vision. We cannot always depend on others to help us in our tough time. We have been blessed with mind that has capability of solving every problem given to us. We must therefore take all our obstacles as challenges and overcome them by applying the solutions that comes in our mind. Think about it. If you are stuck in some problem, no one is around you to help you out. You yourself have to ask your mind to quickly think for the solution. But if you do not think of the solution, then the moment will pass and your opportunity will be gone. The same idea of coming out from the situations may become a less effective. Thus, your opportunity will be wasted and would situation which was in your favor may change its side. So consider yourself to be blessed to what you want in your life. Use your mind towards its fullest and explore the new areas of your life. Hope you loved the story on this amazing Sunday. Enjoy your Sunday with a beautiful surrounding, but stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Do share this with your family and friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.